Good morning, Beshies, and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong Ate Jaja for today's vlog. Based on our OOTD, alam niyo na kung saan tayo papunta today. We're going to Shanghai Disneyland with my mom. Ayan. Suotin daw niya yung headband niya. But anyway, Snow White inspired ang ating outfit of the day. Makikita niya later sa vlog. And second Disneyland na natin. So I'm so excited. Samahan niyo kami ngayon. Papa-experience ko rin yung mga rides. Second lang, Hong Kong at Shanghai pa lang. Second hand pa Disneyland. But anyway, I like this headband so much.
安全，请勿奔跑。乘坐自动扶梯时，请紧握扶手，注意脚下安全。自动扶梯口处，请勿停留。
We made it here, Beshies! Welcome to Shanghai Disneyland! Nasa loob tayo ngayon ng Shanghai Disneyland. Grabe, ang daming tao. Sobrang daming tao. Video.
Hi, nakaplastika na naman po sila mga kaibigan.
Yes, unfriend. Unfriend. Shanghai Disneyland. Ito na, Beshies, yung pangalawang Disneyland na napuntahan ko. It is a park like no other, blending Disney magic with Chinese culture in a way that makes every visit unforgettable. Home to the largest Disney castle in the world. The Enchanted Storybook Castle is the only one that represents all Disney princesses instead of just one. Unlike other parks, there's no Main Street, USA. Instead, guests step into Mickey Avenue, a charming global-inspired entrance. Yung favorite ride namin dito, Beshies, is yung Tron Light Cycle Power Run. It's really amazing. Sobrang thrill na ride yon, and highly recommended if you're going to visit the Shanghai Disneyland. Alam niyo ba, Beshies, because of local regulations, Shanghai Disneyland even has a custom fireworks show that uses low-noise fireworks to minimize disruption? Ang Shanghai Disneyland ang pinakamalaking Disney park in Asia, featuring unique areas like the 12 Zodiac Gardens, where Disney characters represent the Chinese zodiac. Alam niyo ba na it's bigger than both Tokyo Disneyland and Hong Kong Disneyland? Grabe, sobrang laki talaga ng Shanghai Disneyland. Kayo, Beshies, ano ang favorite Disneyland niyo?
Hi, Beshi! So, kakatapos lang namin na mag-rides. Hindi ako masyado makapag-video kasi more on mga extreme pa yung nasakyan namin. Highly recommended if you're going to visit Shanghai Disneyland to try Tron. It's so good. I think yun yung isa sa mga the best na rides dito. Actually, before kami sumakay ng rides, nag-ask pa ako kay ChatGPT kung ano yung marirecommend niya. And Tron talaga yung #1 sa mga thriller or thrill na rides. So yun, itry nyo siya. Highly recommended. Tsaka mabilis lang din yung pila niya. Anyway, so ang nasakyan pa namin is Zootopia. It's also good, but ako personally, medyo nahilo ako sa mga visuals, yung mga screen na nakalagay. Tron was like 10 out of 10. It's really good. Zootopia, siguro mga nasa 6 pa ko out of 10. Nag-enjoy ba kayo sa Zootopia? Nag-enjoy kayo? Ako parang 6 ako doon kasi nakakahilo yung visuals niya. Uy! Yeah, mas mahaba pa yung nilakaran. Snow White was also good. Ako gusto ko yun. Yung may mine, para siyang roller coaster, pero hindi naman OA na, alam yun. OA na roller coaster. But it's really good too. So yun. Currently, it's 13 degrees, but it feels like 9 degrees. So malamig, beshies, yung weather. Which I like kasi mas masarap maglakad-lakad dito sa Disneyland kasi nga hindi ka mainit. Beshies, alam nyo ba, ito yung hindi ko pa nasasakyan ever. And for some reason, hindi ko talaga siya parang feel sakyan. Natatakot ako dito. Pero yung Tron, hindi ako natakot. Pero ito, hindi ko talaga siya kaya pa. Beshies, ito ang aming lunch. We have here Big Mac and then pizza. Yan, Marian snacks muna tayo. This is already for 208 yuan. And then meron siyang dalawang free na drinks kasi tag-isa. One dito and then dyan. So let's eat. So, beshies, may mga baon din kaming snacks. Pwede kayo magdala ng mga bread dito, pwede kayo magdala ng bread, ng sandwich, or whatever. Basta hindi pwede ang mga noodles kasi syempre wala kayo mapapagkuhanan ng hot water. Let's try the Big Mac. Dito siya sa may Pinocchio na store. Try. It's good. Sarap. Pulled pork. Okay lang. Maya. Beshies, bumili kami ng waffle. May kasama na siyang ice cream. Ito ay for 68 yuan. I've mentioned earlier na super lamig dito ngayon, guys. Pero, alam niyo yung weird, yeah. Actually, yung weird na masarap yung ice cream kapag malamig. Or maybe I'm just weird. But, cheers! Hindi mo sobrang like, wow. Normal lang siya na waffle, guys. But, the vanilla ice cream is good. Nakagat ko yung ano, bigyan nyo ko number. Ng consent. Anong consent din? Ay, parang na-pressure naman ako dito. Ano yung consent din?